Welcome back to the channel. This weekend we're in York. Was actually bought a night in a hotel. For tonight we stopped at Selby on way up last night. Outside the York minster. Let's have a quick walk around York and see what we can see. It's quite impressive building. £18 per adult. York residents free. That's good. If you're a York resident, you're getting for free. It's £18 each otherwise. Aye? Yeah? Well, shall we do it now then?
Yeah,
yeah? Might as well, haven't we?
Cool.
Could you stop filming at the entrance?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's dead impressive, isn't it? Aye. God, look at the ceiling. Well, this is inside the York minster. 36 quid for two of us. Let's hope it's worth it. That bit's impressive. Look at these windows. Can't beat the stained glass window. Hey?
It's my dad's birthday on the 4th.
Oh, yeah.
We're on the 2nd, aren't we?
Don't set your paper on fire. Just lighting a candle for my dad. He passed away 3 years ago. Just over, and one for Kath's dad.
It would have been 85. Hang on.
Would have been 85.
No. It would have been 84. 87
87.
on
He
Monday.
passed away in 1980, wasn't it?
Yeah. It would have been 87 on Monday.
Oh,
There you go. Two dads together.
it's good, isn't it? Shall we walk down here then?
Oh, go that way. It's on this map, look.
Yeah, go on then. Can you see that down there? Is that the organ down the bottom lot? Sugar set?
We're coming up here, aren't we?
I don't know, you're good at reading maps.
Shops and exit. 3D model.
Did it tell you about that chair?
So what now? What chair?
There's no information, is there? You can't sit on it anyway, so it must be important. Aye.
Okay.
So you can't sit on it, it must be important.
In prayer is an ancient tradition.
You have a look in that bit there.
Yeah.
This is a regimental memorial chapel. What? Book of Remembrance, Roll of Honour. That's all to do with, yeah. Look. This oak bookcase and porch were erected as part of the memorial to those members of the King's Own Yorkshire Light Infantry. Yourselves in the Second World War. This is all the military then, isn't it? That's good, isn't it? All this here for military. Just as, a mark of respect. It's good, isn't it? It's this bit down here. Chapter. Look at them doors. That's impressive, isn't it? Yeah, it's good, that is. I like that ceiling there. Hey? Yeah, I bet they don't bother cleaning up there.
I bet they do. There isn't many cobweb houses for them.
Look at them for a set of pipes. For organ, aren't they?
Yeah, but it's having a rest at the minute.
Hey?
So it's having a rest. It's paid for so many 100 times or something.
Don't know, whereas fast on.
They're
He's saying 5 and all. It's all in Latin. Oh, what's that? Yeah. Yeah. That. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, I film it.
It looks like a cherub to me.
Oh, that there.
A kid.
Looks in pain.
Looks like a cherub. Yeah, well,
Not very happy. Not very happy. Oh, yeah. Another one there with tears. A bit spooky, really. Does it put your giant dairy triangle in? Nice.
Cloaks worn by them. Oh.
What's it for?
They were long mantles of cloaks. Oh, God.
Coat chest. It's for a big dairy triangle, that's what it is. Do you get
Coats, which are long
It's for what?
mantles of cloaks worn by
Clothes.
them.
Oh, so it's to keep your cloaks in.
Coats which are very flat.
He was here, what's that, Richard Langley, Esquire. 1842, is it 1812? Can't tell. 52. Richard Langley, yeah. Yeah, big bloke, wasn't he? Took 2 up. 55. I wonder if it's a different person, isn't it?
Probably families, isn't it? Because that's
Yeah.
Anne Langley, look at side.
Richard Langley, 27th January 1817.
Age 55, and that's Anne.
Another one, 66, Langley lot, Dorothy.
Yeah, in there.
Alan Langley, they're a big family, aren't they? 17th, 3rd of December 1803. 1917, 79, yeah, they were living quite a long. They were living thinking they might have been well to do though. Probably got doctors when they wanted one. Can't read off of that. Look at that, 1683. Robert, what's that say? Robert, no it's not, no.
Something.
Oh yeah, yeah. Bob, we'll call him Bob. Not Robertus.
It's not in English, is it?
No, probably Latin, isn't it? Anyway, we get the gist. It was 1683.
You were 66, Alan Lee was 52 and 84. That's
These must have been well-to-do people though, if they're in here. Aye, they must have been eye up. They must have been eye up. That is the Great East Window. Following a 10-year restoration and put my glasses on. Conservation project completed in 2018, the single largest expanse of medieval stained glass in the country is now fully restored to its original glory. Created between 1405 and 1408 by craftsmen led by master glazier John Thornton. The window tells the story of the beginning and end of all things. Yeah, that's the Great East Window. And it's... Hey, look, there's another chest there to keep your daily triangles in.
Didn't say don't open that one if you told us about.
Have my bag. Drop your bag. Are you allowed to?
You didn't say don't. Nothing in it.
Watch your fingers.
What we do then?
Look at this one here. Look at this one here.
It's not English.
Oh yeah, it's all in dodgy, isn't it? Oh it is, it says there, some at Fulham lot. Well, whatever that says. Judith, so that's Judith, isn't it? Tom what? Tom, whatever his name is, I can't read that. Some Middlesex, from Middlesex, that's what I'm getting. 1666 car. September 29th, isn't it, Bob? September 29th. Some at 27 AD. 1666, that's crazy. Eh?
Thomas Rotherham, Archbishop, 1480.
Archbishop, yeah. Oh,
1500.
1480 is 1500. That's
Not
nearly,
long.
that's 3 o'clock. 1500.
20.
Hey?
Can't have been 20.
Well, I know.
Because he was an archbishop.
In my two, we're Archbishop for about a year then.
They
Or
were
two.
only 20.
They're only 20, yeah, 1480 to 1500. It's 20 years, isn't it? So it was only 20. Jesus, that's not... Who was this one here? Alan Richardson. 1905. Dean of York. And his wife, Phyllis.
In the Stratford vault below lie 13 coffins, among them that of the Lord Rockingham, Prime Minister of Great Britain, 1765 to 66 and 1782.
13 coffins in there.
Yeah.
This looks like the main centre. I like this bit. This bit's impressive. It's not something to do with organ, that does. I wonder if that's where they sit there in the middle to drive it. Yeah, I like this bit. And that's that big, largest stained glass window in country there at the back. It's the Zoosh room, the Zoosh chapel. This chapel, I can't read that without my glasses. The chapel is named after its founder, William de la Zoosh. I wonder if it's out to do with Ashby. 1340. I suppose that's it, yeah. Well, have a look.
So prayer when you go in with people in meditation, I don't think you can pray in here.
Why not? Can't you?
It's meditation, say prayer.
Just so you know, this is part of the sightseeing area. Sorry? This is for quiet contemplation.
You've got to be quiet now. It's for quiet. You've got to come and contemplate in here. She was doing what? Was she? And then she's on phone, and then we've got to come in and be quiet. Must take it, Mickey, isn't it? Yeah, probably. Probably disturbed a phone call. It's for quiet contemplation. What's that? Contemplation. God, yeah, it's good, isn't it? Out singing. Look at that, there's still not plug in it. What's that? What is out under that barrel? Lift it up. Bet you can't, can you? Is it heavy? That's that good, isn't it? Out singing. Oh, we've got a main. Yeah, we've been down there, haven't we? That's where we'll come in.
Thingy though.
Well, that, yeah, it is impressive, yeah.
I want you to be quiet.
She's working. She's doing something.
I didn't see her have a badge or anything.
Yeah, she had a...
Yeah, I think she worked here. Definitely worked here. You wouldn't say that to a random stranger, would you? If you...
I can't believe it. She's there chatting away on the phone. Yeah.
Hilarious.
Well, I don't know.
Look at her now. I'll probably complain to her.
Yeah. Are you? Yeah. Will you complain to? Well, we'll come here then. We'll tell them anyway. Yeah.
Not as funny as folk, is they?
No.
As they say. I bet there's going to be a tour, isn't there? It says here, it says coffin lid. 13th century. To control how he was remembered, de Grey planted his own monument years before his death. Construction could only start once he had died, so this image sat above his coffin until the monument was completed. What image? Oh, right. So he did it all and put that on top of it until it was completed. Not a bath. No, it's his coffee. That's led to it, isn't it? I thought it was a bath. Where is he? He's gone down to Tesco's. He's gone to Tesco's. What blooming head there? What's that? What's that there? That head? That head. It's all here. Oh, it's here. Archbishop. Rotherham's head, 1500, carved simply and quickly. Effigies such as this are not intended to be permanent memorials. They are used as a snapshot, which is later replicated when the monument is made. That's from 1500, that head. Yeah. Carved quickly just to... that's mad, isn't it? It's just permanent, that is. That, they do that. Just as permanent. Says here, look. Says the permanent memorial. They're used as a snapshot. I bet that's like a selfie. In 1500, that's a 1500 selfie. Don't know, I've not got to that bit. That must be his away kit. That's a big box. That light's blimey, isn't it? The King's Book of York Heroes, 1920. The King's Book. Can't see it 'cause that light behind me. Basically, it says the King's Book of York Heroes, 1920. The King's Book is a collective memorial and a promise from the city of York to remember the sacrifice made by the citizens during the First World War. Echoing the information found on the gravestones, the entries for 1,151 men and 2 women provide a tangible memorial for those buried far from home. Yeah. That's his own kit. I reckon that's the North Yorkshire Football Cup, the Premier League.
It's still used during special services.
Yeah, 1500, because when we look back there, we got away kit and home kit. I reckon he plays 5-a-side on Sunday afternoon. Right, seriously, what is it? Chalice. It's a chalice. A 1927 chalice. Oh, it's 32 carat. 32 carat diamond. You still use it today.